Welcome back to Let's Try Kitchen, and on today's episode we make Tori Shoyu Ramen for the second time. On today's episode, our main focus is to create a very clear chintan stock, and I hope to figure out a way to simmer at about 175 degrees for about 5 to 6 hours. So I bought a chicken and I made another bowl of ramen, so these are my experiences and this is what I've learned. Today's episode I wanted to focus on making a very clear broth and trying to hold at 175, but it was a little bit too difficult because at the temperature of my stove I would go to the lowest setting and I would still hover around 180, 185. But the soup was able to still be clear, and I was using a meat thermometer for about an hour or two, and I was checking every 15 minutes, and I was getting a little bit tired because of that. And so I found a roasting probe and I was able to use that. I strained the broth and then I stored it in the fridge for about 12 to 14 hours, and when I checked it the next day I still wasn't able to get enough chicken fat. And I think my reasoning is because I'm not using enough skin or fat on my chicken carcasses because they're very lean. So I'm still trying to figure out a way where I'm able to get a lot of chicken fat, so I don't have to go buy chicken skin and render out. And then I also noticed that my soup was also not as gelatinous as my last bowl of ramen. So if you know how to get your chintan stock super gelatinous, please let me know in the comments below. Even though this bowl of ramen was able to get a very clear chintan stock, unfortunately I would rate it about a 7 out of 10 on the scale of flavor. There was just something that was very lacking after every spoonful. It felt like it needed something to get it over the hump. Never provided a power punch of umami. And I think next time what I want to do is focus more so on my tare, where I'm able to soak the ingredients a little bit longer for maybe about 12 to maybe a full day's worth, and adding more katsuobushi, just because my tare that I used this time was a little bit older, about a week ago, and I really didn't add enough flavor, and I also didn't know what I was doing. So I think today's episode I was able to achieve my goal, and now I think I'm able to understand a little bit more, but unfortunately for making ramen there's a whole new world out there where it takes a lot of time and effort and experience, and out of 2 bowls that I've made I have about maybe 999 more bowls of ramen to get whatever I'm looking for. So if you enjoyed today's episode, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more content. So thank you for watching, and this is